What does generative AI mean for Salesforce CRM? So it means this when it comes to stats. 86% of IT leaders need it, like literally need it. 71% of marketers, use it or says that it allows them to focus more onto the strategic work rather than just like doing the normal or small data creation, content creation, simple content creation, simple data creation or some things like that. It just, helps them to do that as well. Good? Yeah, 68% of representatives, this is sales reps, not representatives. I asked Khushali to do it, but somehow she forgot about it, but no problem, Khushali. Believe that generative AI will help them better serve their customers. 82% of business leaders says generative AI will lower overall business costs. This is exactly what they all care about. And now Khushali is going to say, no, you said it, but later you said that let's not do it. I recall that now. Thanks.